Hi guys! Today's video is going to be a quick New Year's Eve tutorial using the Gold Obsessions palette by Huda Beauty. It is a limited edition holiday palette with Cult Beauty, so it is to celebrate 5 years of Huda Beauty being sold on the Cult Beauty website. As soon as I saw it, I was like, I need it. I actually don't have any Huda Beauty palettes, but this palette was just beautiful. It's just so stunning and golden and I absolutely loved it, and it has this awesome mirror in it too. As soon as I saw it, I was just like, I'm getting it. It's limited edition. It's not going to be around forever, so I'll buy it. So for my look today, obviously I'm going for a gold theme for New Year's. I wanted to do something traditional, even though a lot of us probably aren't doing anything near as big as we usually do because of what's happening in the world and what's been happening for like the entire year pretty much. So I just thought it would be fun to do something traditional, even though this isn't really going to be a traditional year of celebration. But why not get dressed up anyway, you know? Like, have some fun, even if you're just gonna be home in your pajamas. If you feel like throwing on makeup, throw on some makeup and go as far as you want with it. Like, isn't that the beauty of not going anywhere? It's like you can experiment to like a level of craziness and no one has to know. And if it works out for you, then that's amazing. Obviously today I'm not going to be going to experimenting to a level of craziness because I want this to be like a simple sort of look. So it's going to be sort of like a smoky eye with a gold glitter. Gold, New Year's, you know. Also, I wanted to wear something sparkly for this video and I have absolutely no like sequiny or glittery clothes except for this cape thing that I bought recently. So this is my New Year's attire for this video. Anyway guys, I'm just gonna get right into it. So to start off with, I am going to take a fluffy brush and go into this shade here. It is like the mid brown, it's like a rosy brown shade. This is obviously going to be my crease shade as always. And I'm also going to take it along my lower lash line as usual. Next I'm going to take a slightly smaller brush, this one's a bit more tapered, and go into the darker shade in the palette very lightly. And I'm going to pop this in my outer corner. It's kind of like sweeping towards my eye on an angle and then up towards the crease. And just blending it around back and forth. Oh, also, before I forgot to say that I primed my eyes already. So I recommend using an eye primer. If you're going out and stuff, it'll just hold your eyeshadow in place a lot better and for a lot longer. But if you don't have one, it's not going to kill you or anything like that. You can use your concealer as an eye primer. Just bring it over and like blend it in above your eye, which I do anyway. I like double prime, kind of. Like, not really, that's not a thing. But I do conceal over my eyes and then pop a primer over that after I've done like my foundation steps and stuff. But anyway, continuing on, I am going to take a flat shader brush and go into this golden shade down the bottom here, just in the center, and I'm gonna pop that on my lid like so. My cat is cleaning her butt and it's really loud right now. I'm not sure if you guys could hear that. I apologize if you can. Surely not. Okay, there definitely appears to be a little bit of fallout with that shade. I think I probably, to be honest with you, should have gone in with my fingers just because it's like a bit more glittery than I expected. I thought it was more of a shimmer, but it's quite glittery. But it's just going to add to the look. I'm just going to have glitter everywhere. Gold glitter. It'll be in theme, even though this is like silver glitter. Yeah. Oh, I really like that. I really like these colours. I'm going to go into this shade here with my finger. So it's like a very light. And I'm just going to dab this on more towards my inner corner. And I'm going to do the same with this shade in the middle, but instead of in my inner corner, I'm going to put this over the center. So I'm kind of like blending them. Usually with like this sort of look, I'll always do like light to dark, so light in the center and darker on the outside, unless I'm doing like a halo eye sort of look. This is kind of like my advanced smoky eye, if you will. But yeah, we just want to keep going back and forth between those shades so they're blended together well. So now I'm quickly gonna go and reblend the mattes in, and I'll be back. Now I'm just going to take a tiny little brush, well not really tiny but a smaller brush, and pop into this shade here and just highlight my inner corners and bring it down a little bit. So to complete the look, I'm just going to quickly throw some stuff on my lower lash line. I'm going to take a pencil brush and go into the dark shade and just focus this on the outer part here, on the outer part there, just to about halfway along the lower lash line. Oh, I have a pimple there. I thought I was getting fallout from that shape, but I think it was actually a pimple. So now, for a little bit of fun, I'm going to take another, like this sort of thin brush at the end there, and I'm going to go into one of the glitters. I think I'm going to go into this glitter just in the corner. Just be careful when you're using glitter around your eyes, especially if there's a possibility that you'll get it in your eyes, because it hurts. And I'm just going to pop that along here just to give me a little sparkle in my lower lash line for some fun. Ow, I just got it in my eye. Be careful. Obviously you don't have to use this, and you could just use the shimmer shades rather than the actual glitters. Probably a little bit less dangerous, to be honest with you. And I'm also going to go in with the same brush into the darker glitter and just pop this just in the center right here, so it like matches my lid. And there we have that. Oh my god, I do have glitter in my eyes, so maybe don't do that at home unless you feel like you don't really care that you get glitter in your eye. It's not super painful or anything, but if you have like a low pain threshold, to be honest with you, I have a low pain threshold, but maybe it's because I'm used to stabbing myself in the eye with things. Anyway guys, so that completes the eyeshadow look. I'm just going to quickly chuck on some mascara, eyeliner, and setting spray, and I'll be back. I think I'm going to use a brown eyeliner for this look, just because I feel like using brown eyeliner, but I'll just use black mascara because that's all I have. Also, if you wanted to, you could chuck on falsies. I'm not going to today because I'm legitimately pretty much instantly going to take it off, so I don't want to waste them. Also, I'm not good at falsies, so we'd be here for hours, and I just do not have that kind of time today. So I'm just going to chuck on those things, and I'll be back. There we go, guys. That is all done. Before, when I said that I was going to chuck them all on, I meant like the eyeliner and the mascara, not the falsies. Oh, also the setting spray. I also popped on a nudish lip. I just wanted to say as well, with like this sort of event, you want to use, if you're going out, if you're going to be like partying or like, you know, getting drunk and hot and sweaty, or like making out with people, you want to wear like long lasting things if you have them. Obviously if you've just got your regular foundation, like you have one of everything and you're not crazy like me and own like a million of everything, then wear whatever you've got. It's not going to kill anyone. But I've just popped on my Morphe setting spray. It is the Continuous Setting Mist. This one's limited edition in the scent Sweet Peach, and it's delicious. But anyway, I popped that on because it holds my makeup really well. I also popped on my ColourPop Just a Tint Lip Crayon in the shade Cherry Picking. I just put this on as well because I couldn't be bothered putting a lip liner on. I would probably pop a lip liner under this for like an event, but I just popped this on because it's like a nice nude and it's a tint, so it will like stick to your lips and not really transfer to other people's. If you're going to be like kissing people at midnight, which I know is usually a thing, not sure if that's like a thing that people can do anymore, but obviously if you have a person that you like kiss on the regular, you might be able to kiss them at midnight if you're lucky, if you're able to be together. but you know, hooking up with strangers might not be a thing anymore. But yeah, so just wear like things that won't rub off on other people. I've been super into like a bold lip lately, but I don't know if I'll be wearing a bold lip on the night. It just depends if I'll be like planning on kissing someone or not, because I don't want to have red lipstick all over my face. And also stuff like this, like if it does smudge, you can kind of just like wipe it away, like it's easier. Whereas some of my like red lipsticks, I know if it smudges, it's like I try and smudge it like off, but I kind of just like smear it everywhere. So a nude is safer if you're not sure what you're going to be doing. But yeah guys, I hope you have enjoyed this little quick tutorial on New Year's, and I hope you have a fun celebration tonight, whatever you guys are doing. Whether it be chill at home or going out, I hope you're also safe, COVID safe, as well as safe, normal safe. I hope no matter what you're doing, if you feel like getting dressed up, just do it, because you need to enjoy yourself. You deserve to have a good night even if you can't go outside. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about anything that I did or any of the products that I used, let me know and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I'm wishing you a happy new year, and hopefully I will see you soon on Cult Beauty. Yeah. A little ow. And I'm gonna do the shame. I'm doing like a... Thank you so much for watching.